So in this question, basically what they have given voltage, line current, speed, RSH, RA. For this one is for no load, and for full load current is different, and they are asking for the speed, right? So let's see how can we calculate. We have taken two condition. One is for the no load and another is for the full load, right? So we have considered for no load, that is N1, right? And for full load we are having N2. So basically in this question we need to calculate N2 only. We'll use this formula, that is E2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N1 into phi 2 by phi 1. Now read the question. They have mentioned that assuming constant air gap flux means whether it is the condition of no load or full load, flux is constant, means flux is same. Okay. So if the flux is same, we can assume that phi 1 is equal to phi 2. Phi 1 is for the no load, phi 2 is for the full load. So we can cancel out this phi 1, phi 2 because these are same, right? So we know the value of N1. They have mentioned, that is how much, 1000 rpm. We need to calculate N2. But if we know the value of E2 and E1, then only we can proceed it further, right? Correct. E1 is for the no load, E1 is for the no load, okay, and E2 is for the full load. So we are having separate E1 and E2. Again, you know the formula, as they have mentioned that it is a DC shunt motor, right? So for DC shunt motor, what is the formula for EAMF? That is V minus IARA, correct? Now we know the value of V, voltage, how much they have mentioned, that is 250 volt, minus IA we don't know, but they have mentioned RA in the question. RA is how much, that is 0.2 ohm, so we can write down 0.2 ohm as it is. Now our focus is to calculate IA, and you know what is the formula for the IA. As you can see, for IA, for the DC shunt motor, what is the formula? IA is equal to IL minus ISH, right? So we can write down IA is equal to IL minus ISH. IL we have given, that is how much, 6 ampere they have mentioned. 6 minus, again we don't know the value of ISH, correct? So ISH we are having formula, that is V by RSH. So 6 minus voltage we know, that is how much, 250 volt, and RSH also they have mentioned, that is again 250 ohm. So 250 by 250 is how much, 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So IA value will get as a 5. So 250 minus 5 into zero point 0.2. Here from this we'll get the value of E1, correct or not? Similarly, we'll calculate for full load, that is E2 is equal to V minus IARA. Voltage is same 250. I again we need to calculate, and armature resistance is again the same. But in this case, IA would be same, that is IL minus ISH. You can see in this question IL is different for the full load. Now IL is how much? IL is 26 here, so 26 minus V by again RSH. V is same 250 divided by 250, so 26 minus 1. So IA will get here as 225 ampere, correct? So we can put it here, 250 minus 25 multiplied by zero point 0.2. So from here we'll get the value of E1 and E2. We can put it here. Then after putting here, we'll get the value of N2 in RPM. Clear?